Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, guys. So today we are making this beautiful A-line Bubu Kaftan. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now, and you can also share my video with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and watch and learn from it. Please watch this video to the end, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a bubu kaftan that will be long. So this is the fabric and it's folded into four. So we'll cut it all together at once. So this is the folding. So we'll start with the measurement. So the length that we want to use on this our bubu kaftan is 56. So that is the 56. So we'll come to this side to measure it again to get the full length. That is the 56. So this is the 56 of our length, and it will be fitted on the waist side before it will lose out. So we start with the measurement for the neck. I'm marking 4.5 from the neck, 4.5, and the weight of this fabric that we are using, because it's all cut together, is 11.5. So it's 11.5 that we have throughout for the weight that we want to use. So the neck now is 4.5. To bring it down, at the cleavage, I'm bringing it down with 3. So this is 3, and it's a round neck. So I'm doing it with round neck. So that is the round neck there. So after that, we'll make sure to get our half length because it will be fitted. Our half length is 16.5. So on this 16.5, that's where we'll get our measurement for the waist. So this is the waist, and our waist, that is it. So come to the armhole side. I will mark from the shoulder to 9. That's where we'll get our armhole, and that's where the armhole will start for the sleeve that will form the sleeve. So the measurement there now, I'm using that 11.5. So I'm using 11.5 altogether. But coming to the waist, because it's a fitted one, we'll use the waist measurement. So our waist measurement is 30. So 30 will give you 7.5. I will just add 8 because it will be fitted and it will not have a zip, so it will lose a little so that it can fit in. So after that, what next? To our hip. Our hip is 25. That is the length to get from the shoulder to the hip line is 25. So our hip also shape it a little. So our hip is 42. What I will do, I've just put 44. That is that 11. So that is it. So coming down to the downside, so just take it down. So the measurement is done. What I will do, just to connect from the armhole side to the waist side. So I'm connecting it together. So that is it. Coming to this side, I'm connecting it also to the hip, and just take it down because the down will be free because it's a bubu kaftan that we are making, a free one. So that is it. So the armhole side, I will just bring it with ½ inch to slant it to the armhole side, that is the shoulder side. So on this spot that you are seeing, that's where we'll start with our sewing. If you want to sew it to get our sleeve, because it's all together, that is where it will form the sleeve. So the cutting, the measurement, everything is done. What we did here is everything cut together, front and back. So just watch this video to the end, subscribe. So I want to cut from the next side now. So it's a very easy style that we are making. So that is it. What I'm still telling people, please subscribe to my channel, watch my video. So that is the cutting side that I'm cutting. I've come to this side to cut it out also. It's an easy style for you, so I want you to watch it and do it by yourself. Sew it on your own and wear it out. It's a nice dress that we are making. That is the bubu kaftan gown. So by the time we finish sewing it, doing everything, you see how it will be. So that is the bubu kaftan. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please, 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 so that the channel can grow. So don't forget, this is where the armhole will start, and that's where I will start with my sewing. So the cutting is done. So what I will do, just for me to open it for you. Also, let me use the scissors to open the other side of it. So I want to open the other side of it that is unfold. So that's what I'm still doing here, cutting it out. So after cutting it out, I will show you how it is, and also take it to the machine and stitch. And before you know, you wear it out and you see the outcome of this bubu kaftan. It's a bubu kaftan that we are making. Don't forget that. So that is it. So let me open it for you now. So can you see how it will be? So this how it will be. So we'll just go and stitch from this armhole side, because that's where to form the sleeve side.
Yes, A-line Bubu Kaftan long gown is ready. Very beautiful. I hope you understood everything that we did here. If you don't understand, guys, you can watch this video again and again so that you can understand it. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload new video like this, you can see and watch from me. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, guys.